Hello and welcome to XTM Partner Bytes. Today we are delighted to be joined by Rosta, the Technology Partner Manager at Kentico Kontent. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Rosta, how would you describe Kentico Kontent in 30 seconds?
Yeah, so Kentico Kontent is a modern headless CMS designed for enterprise customers who understand the value of their content. It provides planning, authoring, and delivery tools needed to produce content for any channel, while user roles, customizable workflows, and content management and planning features give you full control over what gets published and when, leading to higher quality and consistency. It's also built on and supports all of the newest technologies, so it's a great way to future-proof your content operations.
Which aspects of the Kentico Kontent service do customers tell you that they value the most?
Well, I'd say it's definitely our individual hands-on approach. Like every client is important to us, and we are showing that by having one of the best rated and fastest support teams in the industry. Also, we have a group of very capable customer success managers that are working together with our customers to make sure that their projects are successful. The other aspect is our focus on business-oriented personnel. Like headless is often perceived as a tool mainly for developers, but we are actively fighting that narrative by making headless accessible to all.
What are your personal favorite Kentico Kontent features?
So one of my favorite features is called Web Spotlight. It lets you work on your content directly in the visual context of your website or mobile application, but still from within the content UI. So you basically feel like you are creating your content directly inside of your application. The second one has to be collections. Together with the built-in multilingual support, collections enable you to manage large and multi-regional content operations with ease. And the last one is rather a set of features focused on content authoring experience. So commands, change tracking, and customizable workflows just make it super convenient and easy for teams of editors to really get their content rolling and still keep the quality on the highest level.
Why is the Kentico Kontent XTM partnership so exciting for the marketplace?
Well, we believe that the customers that chose XTM as an integral part of their technology stack should also consider other smart and modern ways to innovate their content operations. And both of the services best cater to large and complex enterprise projects. The integration between Kontent and XTM just makes it that much easier to really take your multilingual content production to the next level.
That is a wrap on the Kentico Kontent edition of Partner Bytes. Thank you, Rusty, for your time, and of course, thank you all for watching. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe below, and I look forward to seeing you all here next time for the next edition of Partner Bytes. Have a great day.